Welcome to No Nonsense Hosting Tips. In this video, I will show you how you can set damage deposit on booking.com. Once you're logged into booking.com extranet, which is admin.booking.com, it will land you on your property page like this. To set the damage deposit, you need to click on property icon in the top menu and then choose policies. And on this page, just scroll down until you see damage policy options. Click on edit, and this is where you can set the damage deposit for your property. There are two options here. One is if you want booking.com to collect the damage deposit for you, or if you want to collect it directly from the guest, you can choose the second option, and you will need to mention when it will be collected. And usually it is for hotels. When the guest arrives along with the check-in, they collect a damage deposit from them, and when they're checking out, they return it back. But if you're just an individual host, the first option is more suitable for you. And in this field, you can just mention the amount you want to collect, and you will need to agree to the terms and conditions and click on save. After that, booking.com will just keep collecting damage deposit from guests whenever they make the reservation. Keep in mind, it only applies to future bookings. You cannot retrospectively change the rules and the damage deposit of existing bookings. I hope you find this video useful. Please do like and subscribe to my channel and leave me a comment if you would like me to make a video about something which is troubling you. Have a wonderful day wherever you are. Until next time, bye-bye.